Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add blur in Picsart. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To add blur to an image using Picsart, follow these steps. Step 1, we have to launch the Picsart app on your device. Step 2, tap on the plus icon or the gallery icon to import the image you want to edit. Step 3, once your image is loaded, tap on the effects icon. It usually looks like a magic wand at the bottom of the screen. From the menu that appears, select the blur tool. Step 4, you can adjust the strength of the blur effect using the slider that appears on the screen. Slide it to the left or right to increase or decrease the blur intensity. Step 5, after adjusting the blur strength, tap on the check mark or apply button to confirm the blur effect. Step 6, if you want to apply selected blur, you can use your finger as a stylus to paint over the areas you want to blur. Use the eraser tool if you need to remove the blur from specific parts of the image. Step 7. Once you are satisfied with the blur effect, tap on the save icon to save your edited image to your device. And please note that specific steps on interface might vary slightly based on the version of the Picsart app you are using on your device. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.